Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now I'm in download driver Lexmark. This here for tutorial. Here for your type your driver download and this one I'm search the PCL website for you. I'm like download for the PCL website. The PCL website not a virus and easy to download for the PCL website. This here for official website you click here and this one website loading and this here for the printer you scroll down this here for the title driver and support click here for the title and this here for the title driver and download click here for the title and swipe this here for search model print and this here for the tag here automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system just click here. This here uh, for the Linux, Windows, and this here for the Mac, and I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. Click here. This here for a new version for Mac. Make sure of Mac 11 version, new version, and if you need to download, you click here for Mac Live and click here for the title and make universal print driver for like smart scroll printer. Okay, you're looking here. This here for support your Mac Live. And I'm sure for the Linux and this here for the version for 27, 28, 29. This here for new version for the Linux Debian. This here for the March version for the Linux Fedora, SUSE, and Red Hat and Ubuntu. If you need like by one, your make your operating system for Debian and like your operating system. And I'm sure for the Windows, this here for the Windows and specific for the Windows 11 is here for Windows 11 driver, is here for Windows 10 driver, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, is here for Windows Server support. And I am need a lot for the Windows 11. Select here for the Windows 11 and scroll down, and I am recommendation for you. You download Universal Print Driver installation package. Universal Print Driver installation package. You download here. Click here and you click here start download. See for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the board printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, a laptop or PC that type USB cable printer and please if finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish this here for the thank you automatic operating system. Okay, if you have question, comment below. If you need to know the description of the video, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time in the video.